We're going to try to rewrap this with some leftover wrap that I have from another project. I measured it and I might have enough. Might.
It's like a lighter black.
It's blue, Christian.
It looks pretty gray to me, dude.
Oh my god. Gray blue, dude.
Gray.
It's like a shale blue.
You sure you just don't want black? Why all these pots?
Project.
And the case sports just got here. Who is that for? Primo.
Sports just got here?
Yeah, Primo, right?
Yeah. Let me text him and see when he wants to bring his car.
Damn, dude, it says fucking U-wrench on it, dude. You see that?
We're official.
It says fucking U-wrench, dude. And that's where U-wrench is, dude. And that's Brandon's phone number. I got a feeling this is going to be the Fred way, though.
Oh, this is going to be super unprofessional.
The racket. Cleanup time, dude?
Yeah, this is how we clean up at U-Wrench.
You should do a cleanup montage with a GoPro.
No, because I'm done.
That was it? That was all you're cleaning up?
Look, I already put that fucking box of, like, pile of all the old parts right there. Oh, I gotta move some struts. Okay.
It looks like the only thing I gotta do underneath is tighten up some stuff I get them all. Alright.
What?
Throw it out now.
No, because we can sticker bomb the element trunk right now.
Oh.
We got like 30 minutes.
Is that what you're
And
wanting
with
to do instead?
with that 30 minutes, I could either sticker bomb my trunk or be responsible and clean up. No.
Sticker bomb the trunk.
Because guess what? I fucking live here.
But I think I figured out.
Where are they at?
Underneath this box.
Just fucking chuck it.
Ugh.
Oh, damn! It's alright. Nothing happened.
I don't know. I think we both have stickers.
Boom.
These are the ones we were
No.
looking through. I mean, a lot of them are repeats, though. So.
Well, yeah, because of the extra kit and stuff. But an engine, like a K-Series engine, costs less than a K-Series.
Okay, so you have to put the go wides on either side, though.
You need help doing the stretch?
That's what your dog's
Well, I'll just touch the corners that aren't going to be.
More like we close in 20 minutes.
Puff, what color is that?
The bubbles?
Normally the air would release
Yo.
down into the...
Look at this fresh cut line.
Yes! Little market flow. I think it's a spark. No, it's
I mean, we can put
exhaust.
the CRX and the Miata in day one.
Oh, cool. That's fine. I'll cut it now.
Refocus because I fucked it. Okay. And let's do it. Hey dude, we gotta wrap up this video, bro.
I don't want to put too many units.
Well, it's like the army and their parachute. The parachutes are made for people.
Well, dude, we gotta wrap this up